Hi students, now coming to the next part. So the next part is a relation between capital G and small g. Relation between small g and capital G. Clear? So what is small g and what is capital G? Clear? You need to understand what is small g and what is capital G. Though you know capital G is universal gravitational constant and small g is acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Clear? Let's say the mass of the earth. Okay, let's say the mass of the earth is m, that means the capital M. Clear? Okay. And the radius of the earth is capital R. Clear or not? Just tell me this thing. Let's say the mass of the earth is capital M and the radius of the earth is capital R. Clear? That means that is the center. That is the center of the earth. Okay. So if a body of mass small m, clear, if a body of mass small m, then the force of attraction between the earth and that particular body, clear, let's say this mobile, the mass of this mobile is m, small m, clear, and the mass of the earth is capital M, clear. So there will be a force of attraction, clear. The value of force of attraction will be F equal to capital G capital M small m, that means product of their masses capital M and small m by the distance between them, that means here is the distance is r, that means distance, the square of the distance, so you have to write r square. Is it clear or not? Just tell me. F equal to G capital M small m by capital R square according to Newton's laws of gravitation. Clear? Here let M and R be the mass and the radius of Earth. Let a body of mass small m placed on the surface of the Earth. Clear? And the force of attraction on this body, clear, force of attraction on this body will be F equal to G capital M small m by R square. I hope you understand. Clear? Now coming to the next point. The weight of the body, by definition the weight of the body is equal to, so you know F equal to ma relation, F equal to ma, clear? Okay, that is Newton's second law of motion. Okay. Now F equal to ma, here m is the mass of the body, that means here mobile phone, clear, and a is the acceleration. Okay, in the case of gravitation, just you have to write, instead of a, just you have to write g, clear. Acceleration এর জায়গায় কি করতে হবে, g লিখতে হবে, that means acceleration due to gravity. Instead of a, just you have to write acceleration due to gravity, so that will be the force of attraction. Clear or not? So that's why the equation is F equal to mg. Clear? Why F equal to mg? Because that is the force of attraction due to gravity. That's why you have to write g instead of a. এর পরিবর্তে তোমায় কি লিখতে হবে, g লিখতে হবে। Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me. I hope it is clear. Now that is equation 1, f equal to g m1, that means sorry capital M small m by r square. Here f equal to mg, that is equation number 1, that is equation number 2. Clear? So if you equal, that means if you compare this value, that means that if you compare the value of f comparing equation 1 and 2, you will get gm equal to g m1 m2 by r square. Gm equal to g m1 m2 by g capital M small m by r square. Here g capital M small m by r square. That's why mg equal to capital G capital M small m by r square. I hope it is clear. Just comparison, just simple comparison. Clear? So now here is small m, here is also small m. Clear? Just you can cut this. Clear? Then you will get g equal to gm by r square. G equal to gm by r square, that means small g equal to capital G m by r square. Clear or not? Just tell me. Just I am again repeating. If a body of mass small m placed in the surface of the earth, if the mass of the earth is capital M and the radius, that means the distance between the center and the that particular body is r. Clear? Then according to Newton's laws of gravitation, the force will be F equal to G capital M small m by r square. Clear? Now according to Newton's second law of motion, that means the F equal to ma. Here you have to write G instead of A. Why? Because that is due to gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. That is the concept. So just put F equal to mg. Clear? Actually that is weight. We will discuss after some time. Mg. Now if you compare this value, that means if you compare the value of F, then you will get mg equal to G capital G capital M small m by r square. So here also small m, here also small m. Just cut this value, then you will get G capital M small m by r square. Clear? That is equation number 3. I hope it is clear. Do you understand? Clear or not? Just tell me. That is equation number 3. This equation 3 gives the relationship between capital G and small g. That means just you need to remember this value, and that is very important. Small g equal to gm by r square. Small g equal to gm by r square. Again telling small g equal to gm by r square. Clear? That is the relationship between small g and capital G. Okay.